How about the weather today?
Ay, ay, ay.
You know,
Even my dogs don't want to stay outside.
Nothing. It was weird. I didn't see people playing volleyball outside. The normal outdoor activities just didn't seem to be happening this afternoon. Everyone kind of wanted to hide in the shade. We got a picture sent in from Castell, Texas, in between Llano and Mason this afternoon from Gerald East. And look at this, taking 102 on the thermometer, and that seems pretty accurate. Taking it in the shade, we saw readings near 100 in Llano and in Mason this afternoon, and it hasn't cooled off a whole lot outside. It's a very hazy sunshine. We've had a few clouds outside, and that dew point number that was in the low 70s this morning, we were thinking it would go down, and it never did. So it's been a very hot and steamy afternoon. 95 our current reading here in Austin. Have a south wind at 9, dew point number still at 71. We've got readings at 99 currently in both Mason and in Llano. We're at 95 now in Fredericksburg, 97 down the road in San Marcos. And when you factor in the humidity, ready for this? Everybody in the triple digits this afternoon. Right now, it feels like 106 out at the airport, 107 in San Marcos, 109 the current heat index value in Llano. So if you are out and about or taking the dogs for a walk this evening, make sure to make it a shorter walk because it is especially hot outside. You want to make sure you drink lots of fluids as well, because when heat index values are like this, your body tends to sweat a little more to cool itself off, and it just takes a lot more effort to do so. So going to be another hot day again tomorrow, pretty much like today. One of the main reasons is we've got high pressure aloft that's blocking out most of the weather from our area. Of course, we have a few of those thunderstorms that have fired over the higher terrain over northern Mexico again this evening. We may see a few clouds drift off of that into our area late tonight. But other than that, high pressure going to be in command at least for the next day or so. You can see some of this drier air kind of leaking across New Mexico into Texas. And we got a little ridge aloft, little ridge right over Texas here that is built over our area. And it's going to stay there at least for about the next 24 to 36 hours. And then a little system from the north will kind of slide across North Texas late in the day Tuesday. It's not going to come into our area, but will be affecting our weather a bit, as it is going to bring temperatures down for the remainder of the work week, thankfully. So tonight, we'll see that southerly breeze across the area become a little bit lighter towards morning. And we'll pick up again tomorrow afternoon, and we'll call for mostly sunny skies, I think, in the afternoon hours tomorrow, with a few more clouds starting to develop tomorrow night into Tuesday. Models trying to put some rain just north of our area, although I don't think we're going to see the rain in our area. And again, Tuesday night may see the same chance, a few showers with that passing system just to the north of us. What it is going to do, though, is give us a little bit more cloud cover Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and that should bring temperatures down just a bit. So tonight, 76 for the overnight low. Tomorrow, we hit 98, so a degree warmer than today. Heat index values will already be up to 94 by lunchtime tomorrow, with a peak at 105 here in the city. So take caution. Again, if you're going to be out and about tomorrow or taking the kids out to the park, do it early or late in the day tomorrow. We'll see 95 on Tuesday. You see the little bit of a cool down that we have towards the midweek. 94 expected Wednesday through Saturday, and 93 with a little bit more cloud cover by next Sunday.